Say hello.
Hello.
We're gonna open the first day of our advent calendar.
I don't want to say that.
Say it.
No.
What is that?
It's Christmas.
Is it an advent calendar?
Yeah.
Is it December 1st?
Yeah, December 1st. The next day for December. That is very crazy, Dad. Isn't it, Dad? Isn't it?
Okay.
What? Where's the chocolate?
I don't know.
I think I know where it's at.
Wow.
That's a good one for first day. It's a TIE fighter.
Okay, now the fun part.
What are we gonna do?
Get snowman.
Well, maybe. We're gonna get one eventually.
We're gonna find snowman. Mango candle.
There we go.
Oh, cool.
It's inside.
That's really cool.
There's what else is in. Let's look at what else is in here first. Okay, we got a little stage that they can go on.
Cool. We got our little scene going over here. That's really cool.
Okay,
Is
so
this snowman?
this one's number
I
1,
love
right?
the
Can I have
packaging.
it? I'm Rosie. This is the number 1. So I hope it's gonna be a toy snowman today.
Oh, wow. What is that?
I don't know.
What is that?
Oh dear. Oh no.
It's a nutcracker.
Yeah.
Say what it is.
Nutcracker.
Nutcracker. Put him inside.
Wow.
He looks a little lonely, guys.
See you tomorrow.
Just say it's December 2nd.
December 2nd.
So we're gonna open the second day of the Advent calendar.
Yeah.
Say it.
And the band candle.
Right, exactly. The second day at.
What is that?
Where's 2? There's 2 right here.
Yeah.
So
There's
what's
a
that?
I don't know.
Star Wars.
Mm.
And we have a Yoda.
Yeah, Yoda.
Is that yummy?
I can see snowman I can get. Kind of snowman.
It might be. We don't know. Can you open it?
Is this the snowman this time?
It might be. Let's find out. What's that?
I don't know.
Is that a little boy?
Yeah.
Little boy.
Yeah. We better get another one. Number 2. That's
Okay.
all.
Do you know who's in the camera?
What?
Future you.
No.
Yes.
No.
You're gonna show this video to your girlfriend.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes, you are.
You be back.
Okay, well, let's go put it with the other one, okay? What was the other one?
I don't know.
Was it a nutcracker?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's open this nutcracker.
Yay, Rory!
Now we're missing snowman. We'll have to get snowman later.
We'll get him eventually, okay?
Yeah.
December 3rd.
December 3rd.
So what are we doing?
I don't know. And that kind of candles.
So where's number 3?
That.
That's right. Okay, so can you open it?
Yeah.
What is that?
It's a chocolate. Okay.
Okay, you ready? Now we have our Funko box.
Yeah.
It's gonna
And
be very...
let me see if I can see a snowman this time.
Where's the door number 3? Is it right here?
Yeah.
Wow. What is it? It might be. Let's see.
You can't be snowman. Please.
Look over here. What is that? Is that stuff? What is that?
I don't know. Uh-oh.
That
Oh,
is
cool.
a little king.
A little king.
Look at the camera,
Aw. It's so cute.
Wow, little king.
Yeah. Let's go put my new friends.
Okay, come
We're
on.
gonna put, we almost missed the snowman.
Mr. Snowman, I know.
He's coming up pretty soon.
Pretty
Yep.
soon. It's
Yep.
probably going to be towards the end. Because that's how those things work.
It's gonna be Santa at the end.
Yeah, it will be Santa. But he's going to be like December 22nd or something like
I
that.
hope not. Spurry asks for it every single day.
Every time.
Can you give me a chocolate? Give me a solid chocolate.
December 4th.
Yes. December 4th, we're doing a calendar. Like
Advent
that.
calendar.
And the calendar.
Okay, what day is it?
I don't know.
The 4th.
4th?
Where's number 4?
I don't know. Right here?
No, there it is. Number 4.
Okay. How is this part open?
Where'd it go?
I don't know.
Wow, what's that?
I don't know.
Was that an X-Wing?
Mama.
Was that good?
Mm-hmm.
That was a really big one. Okay, now for this one. Okay, so what day are we on?
5.
4. It's December 4th. So we're going to open that one.
Can you please snowman, please?
We'll find out. Ready? Okay. What's that?
What's that, guys?
It looks like a robot king.
Yeah. It looks cool. It looks cool. Let's go find him.
Let's go put him away.
Oh, keep going over.
Okay, so who do we have so far?
There's all the characters.
So how many are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Nope, 4.
4.
4.
4.
Here, this is going to be number 5.
No! That is not. Gina Mallow.
Say today's December 5th.
December 1st.
No, try that again.
December 5th. December 5th.
Good job.
Can you just splice that all together?
We'll try-
Okay.
Should we do it
Round
again?
2.
Okay, can you just say it? Say December 5th.
December 5th.
Nope, not Avenger Bit.
Okay.
So where's number 5?
Right there.
Okay, can you open it? Oh, dang it. They keep falling.
Get a little bit.
Oh gosh. Okay, here's one.
Here's it.
Show Mom.
Look what we got. Look,
Good job.
it looks cool and tiny.
It's a stormtrooper.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat it. Good.
You ready for this one?
Mm-hmm.
What's it gonna be this time?
I don't know.
Which one is the 5th?
Number 5. That's 15.
Nope.
5.
5, yep.
We did it. What we have is no one this time. Woody.
Alright.
What'd you
Say
get?
it's a choir boy?
What is this?
Choir boy.
Choir boy?
Oh, caroler.
Caroler?
It's a Christmas caroler. That's really cool. He's holding a little book.
Yeah.
He's wearing a little top hat.
Yeah. It looks very cool.
What is he singing? What song is he singing?
I don't know. It's super cool.
He's probably singing,
I was gonna say Into the Unknown because Rory keeps singing Into the Unknown. Have you heard him singing it?
No.
Rory, sing Into the Unknown.
So you know, I know you do.
Into the Unknown. Because I keep playing it.
Hey, this can be snowman.
It might be. Got a lot of days left to go.
Yep. Okay,
Say, see you tomorrow.
bye. See you tomorrow.
Is it December 6th?
Yes, number
6th.
6.
Here's our guy.
Okay.
Let's see, where's number 6 on here? They never put these in order.
What is it? That is right here.
Nope, we already opened that one. That's a 2.
Tell me where.
Right here.
Oh, wait, on his hand?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Open it.
A chocolate.
Here.
What we got?
We got a little R2D2.
Yeah.
Ready for this one? Okay. Okay, where are we?
That.
That's 6. Can you get it? Open it. Okay, let's see what it is.
Is it snowman?
What does it feel like?
You please be snowman, please. I want snowman. Won't you please be snowman? Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, what is that?
I don't know. We got
Is
it.
it an elf?
Yes, oh no.
It's an elf.
Yeah, oh no, we got it. Oh no.
That's it for December 6th. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Put your knees down.
I said bye.
Bye. See you tomorrow.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, today is December 7th. Can you see that?
December
7th.
7th.
Today is December 7th.
7th.
And what are we doing?
We're opening attic candles.
Good job.
Yeah, is it?
Yes, it's this one right here.
Right here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Chocolate!
There you go. Today the one is Boba Fett. Pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.
You ready for this one?
Mm-hmm.
Dan insisted that I sit with Rory in on this one.
Okay.
So Rory, what day is it?
I don't know.
We just talked about this.
Yeah.
Say it out loud.
7!
We're gonna open number 7.
Okay. Let's open
Where's
it.
number 7? Oh, what the heck? It's upside down.
Yes. Ah, we got fun bag. Is it snowman this time? Please, snowman. Please. What is it?
Whoa!
What?
It's an ice prince.
Yeah.
Are you gonna pee your pants?
Yes.
Wow.
And he can be seen on there on the tree.
I'm gonna snowman tomorrow.
Okay.
Bye.
Say see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
I tried.
What day is it?
December 8th.
Sunrise. We're doing that challenge and get the snowman for doors.
Okay, let's find the 8.
Where is it?
It's right there.
Wait, there by scope.
It's missing. Did it fall? Here.
Yeah, just shake it
Let
around
me-
a little bit.
Take it. Take it.
There's one. Can Luna have it today?
No.
It's not a very nice thing to do, Rory. Okay, so that was X-Wing? Did I get it right?
Yep.
X-Wing. Rory's gonna share his chocolate with Luna. Where's number 8?
What's there?
No.
What is it? Up here?
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then what? 8.
8. Can I do it?
Open number 8. What'd you get?
A snowman. Whoa.
Oh, what'd you get? Wow.
Another cracker.
Already fell. It's the Santa Nutcracker. He looks really cool.
What's ridiculous? But guys, you got Santa Nutcracker. It's so cute.
Good job, Rory.
We didn't get a snowman. Fucking cool. Let's put him up as friends.
Okay.
We'll say goodbye.
Bye.
See you tomorrow.
Tomorrow. And hope you do be good and that time by your mamas.
What was I sign off? Bye.
Bye. I would like to see you in the morning. Okay? Bye-bye.
Where's number 9?
Right there.
No. It's in there too. What's that?
Ooh, the Millennium Falcon. Yum.
Number 9. There you go. Wow, what's that?
I don't know.
Should we open it?
Yeah. Looks cool. This time we'll get a snowman.
What is it?
It's a little snowman boy. It's a little snow boy.
Oh, it's a little lumberjack. That's so cute.
It's not Jack.
Not a lumberjack.
We're never gonna get
Why?
Jack.
This one, the one's holding a snowball.
We're never gonna get Jack. It's not Jack.
He's wearing a little flannel shirt and jeans. He's so cute. Oh my god.
He's just like Rory.
No, he's not Jack. Well, this time we'll get snowman tomorrow.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And Jack and snowman fireman. Use bees.
It's December 10th.
Summer 10th.
And what are we going to do?
This.
What are these called?
The internet candle.
That's right. Hey, where's number 10?
Right there.
Wow. It's right here.
Okay.
Get ready for this one?
One Spider-Man.
There's no Spider-Man in here. What day is it today?
The next day,
No, the 10th.
the 10th.
8, 9, 10. What's it gonna be?
A snowman.
You think so?
Uh-oh.
What's that? It's a little chef. Show the camera.
It's a winter chef. We didn't get snowman. Oh no. It's so cool. Cool, huh? It looks so tiny. Let's come up as friends.
Okay. So see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow and be good to your mama camera. I'm so excited.
What's it gonna be today?
The electronics.
Now, what day is it today? It's the 11th.
Yes, the weapons.
So say it's December 11th.
December 11th.
And what are we gonna
and
do?
take the calendar.
That's right.
Okay.
Okay, where's the 11th?
There.
No.
Maybe on his butt.
No, it's not down there.
On his eye?
On his eye. Wow.
We didn't get the chocolate.
There it is.
Yeah, we got Yoda.
Okay, ready for this one? What's it gonna be today?
Snowman.
Snowman. 9, 10,
What?
11.
Whoa! You can see snowman.
Let's see.
Let's see what we get. Uh-oh.
Who's that?
Oh. What is that?
It's a little elf king.
Yeah.
Here you
You
go.
can close that elf king. So cute.
So what are we gonna do now?
I don't know.
We're gonna put him with his friends?
Yep.
Okay, say goodbye.
Bye.
See you tomorrow.
And see you. Go play your mom again. Bye.
Bye.
Hey guys, so today is Thursday the 12th. I decided to wear my ears because I bought our tickets for Disneyland today. So now Dan and I can get in the park. I'm gonna wait and buy Rory's probably next month, but we're almost there. So this is number 12.
Is this?
It's on the typewriter. There you go.
Okay.
And it's a resistance emblem. Pretty cool.
emblem.
What?
Rebellion.
Rebellion emblem. I say resistance because that's the word they use in the parks. What day are we on? By the way, Rory's wearing lipstick from my Elsa kit because yesterday when I was bringing in the shopping, he put my lipstick on and it really stayed on there. Like Dan was scrubbing it, but it's still on there. So he's probably gonna take a bath to get that cleaned off, right, Rory? Okay, where's number 12? Good job.
Wow. Wow. I think that's the puppet.
You're kidding. You got him!
Way.
The one time he doesn't say it, he gets it.
What is it, Rory? What? A little snowman?
Yeah. I'm gonna leave it. Don't put it up there, okay? I'm gonna leave it.
Is that your new favorite toy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't put it up there, okay? I'm gonna keep it, okay? I'm gonna keep it in my hand so it don't get lost on you.
It's like my ears were good luck or something.
Yeah.
Alright, see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow and be good till your mom comes up.
What day is it today?
Hello. Can you open it?
Today is Friday the 13th, which means absolutely nothing does. Wow! Eat it real quick before the camera sees it.
What'd you
We
get?
got the Empire sign.
Whoa!
You ready for this one? Okay.
And today we're in the candle.
10, 11, 12. What day is that?
14. Whoa, my gosh. Holy cow.
What'd you get, Rory?
Another book one. Another book.
Cool.
No, tell the camera, not him.
It's a candle. Awesome.
Show the camera. Good job holding, Rory.
Yeah. We not got another bookworm.
Yeah.
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 What do you got there, Rory? Let me see what you got. Your bag.
Ah, spider.
Rory found this bag, so he's been carrying the snowman around for a whole day now, along with this weird little monkey thing that he got from my mom.
He can punch in my house. They're wearing 2 hats.
You ready to sign off, Rory?
Hats.
Yes.
What do you say?
That's a squad and
No,
be good
no,
to the
no.
Yeah.
Tomorrow.
See you tomorrow and be good to your monkey. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah. Are you ready for this now?
I think so. What day is it?
The first day.
It's the 14th. Can you say?
14. This one?
Yeah. What is it?
Oh my gosh, it's broken.
It's a TIE fighter. There it is.
Oh, did you find it?
So which one are we gonna get, guys?
Yeah.
On the 14th. That's the 20th. Where's the 14? 1, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4,
No, this
5,
is 13. That was yesterday. So where's 14? Right there.
6. Right there. Yeah.
What's in there?
I don't know.
I think your dad's gonna help you open it. Hang on.
What's inside? This is my favorite part in the movie. This is my favorite part in the movie.
Yeah. What is that?
It's
Whoa. He's wearing Christmas pajamas.
what is it?
That is very fitting because we just spent all afternoon trying to find Christmas pajamas to wear on Christmas morning. Let's see, where is he? I think he's inside that crane right there.
Christmas tree. He makes my favorite. I want a Christmas tree.
Well, that's why you have that other one over there. Can you show the camera?
Okay. Bye bye.
No, wait until the camera comes back. Okay, see you tomorrow.
Bye bye. Good morning. Today we're doing an ending calendar day.
What day is it today? No, what day is it today?
The 13th.
The 15th. Wow, there's actually one in there too. And you got R2D2 again. Now they're all falling. Are you ready for this? What day is it today?
The 13th.
The 15th.
The 15th.
13, 14. What's this one? 15.
Wow.
What's that? No, tell the camera, don't whisper it.
It's a gingerbread!
A gingerbread king.
A gingerbread king.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. Look, Mom, we got a gingerbread king.
It looks really nice.
Yeah, let's put Mr. Snowman in my bag.
He's reached snowman status.
Yeah, he gonna be with my snowman.
Okay.
Okay, say see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow
No.
and be good to your mom, Grandma.
Okay.
Say bye, Luna.
Bye. Hello.
What day is it?
It's the 21st.
No.
No, that's ahead a little bit. It's the 17th.
Today we're doing the end calendar and pick. It's a surprise. You want to get a present?
So I had the camera in my car because we vlogged a little bit on Saturday. And
Which one?
I went to work all night, Monday night.
It's on
And
his
so
head.
Dan did not have the camera last night to do this. So we're going to be doing December 16th and December 17th. Sorry guys, we're trying really hard to do it every single day. But I think this is close enough, right Rory?
Yeah.
So we're
Where's
doing
number
16 and 17 today.
Right here.
Here's 16.
Okay. Shake it.
Jeez Louise. Oh my god, this advent calendar is such a joke. Okay.
2 of those.
Okay, do it again. There it is.
Where we get?
Is it a typewriter?
Yeah.
And then we have 17. Open it up. Rory gets 2 chocolates today. And that is a Stormtrooper. Alright.
I get present.
So what day is it, Rory?
I don't know.
The 17th, but we didn't do it yesterday, so we have 16 and 17. So where is it? What day is it? Do you remember what I said 2 seconds ago?
What? What? Wow. I wonder where we get.
Whoa.
We got presents.
Wow.
You got a present.
That's so cool. Do you want to show the camera?
Yeah, we got Santa the present. Oh, he looks cute, you guys. And in the movie, it was his time. It's in the movie.
He wasn't in a movie.
It
Look.
probably reminds him of
He's
something.
holding a look. We didn't get the reindeer guy. Oh no.
Wow,
did.
that's so pretty. It's a gold one. Good job, Rory. Which one do you like best?
Maybe the snowman one.
Oh, okay. See you tomorrow.
See you
Dan will probably do it in the morning with Rory.
Yeah, but let's come back with the friendly.
Ready to say goodbye?
Bye. Oh, hi.
What day is it?
The funnest chief.
15, 16, 17, 18.
Yeah.
Is it the 18th? Is it the 18th?
Yeah.
What day is it? December 18th?
17.
Good job. Let's open this one first, though.
Okay. Let's open
Let's
it.
see, where's the 18? There's 19.
Is that mine?
That's 19. Well, 18. Let's see. 17. There it is. Let's open it. Wow. Look at Darth
You shake
Vader.
Shake it.
Oh, here. Take this one. Okay, ready for this one? 18. 18.
Wow. Could be snowman. Oh, we got an elf. Look, so pretty.
Good job.
I got him. He looks cute.
Alright, say see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. And we go to your mom camera.
Say hello.
Hello. Good morning.
Good evening.
Okay.
Say good evening.
Good night.
No, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Today we're going to open 2 of our Advent calendar boxes.
Yeah.
We're going to open number 19 and 20.
Yeah.
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 But first, let's do Star Wars.
Yeah.
Okay. So what day are we doing? 19 and 20.
I'm so excited.
Here's 20. Where's 19? Let's find 19 first. Here.
What? It's gone.
19.
Oh,
No,
I
hurry.
I keep dropping it.
1. Here's 20. Open it. Wow. Darth Vader.
Yeah.
You get it?
Yeah.
Now we're going to open number 19 and 20.
Yeah. Ow. The one bag.
What is it? It's an Angel King.
Yeah.
Angel King.
What you got? Sweet! Oh my gosh! Whoa!
Whoa, sled guy.
Yeah, can I have them?
A sled guy.
I don't want to put them up there. Excuse me, Dad. I don't want to put them up here
Why?
because he wants to beat my stomach and then Jack.
Say goodnight.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Today we're going to be doing 2 days. We got a long weekend. So we need to do the 21st and the 22nd together. Okay? So we're going to get 2 chocolates and 2 toys.
Okay. Let's do it.
Okay. 21st is right there and 22nd is right here.
Ow.
Okay, let's see, 22nd. We're running out of days to slide around. Yeah, we got the Empire and a TIE Fighter. Ready for this one? Okay. So what days are we looking for again?
I don't know.
We're looking for the 21st and 22nd. Wow, Jack in the Box.
Yeah, what do you get?
And then we got a little drummer boy.
Wow.
Look
Yeah.
at those.
Show him to the camera.
Look.
Cool, Rory.
Yeah, let's put him up his friends.
Are you okay?
Cabot the snowman.
Where's your snowman?
It's up there, Cabot.
Yeah.
Okay, say good night. See you tomorrow.
Good night, and see you tomorrow.
Okay, take your glasses off.
Hey guys, we are on December 23rd.
Yeah.
So we're here to do our challenge, right, Rory?
Right here.
He already knows. We pre-rehearsed.
Thank you.
And fittingly enough, we have the Mandalorian. We've been loving the Mandalorian lately, so that's pretty cool. Gotta wait. Okay, so where's number 23? That's 24. We want 23.
Right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're gonna open number 23.
We're gonna get 2. We get 2. We'll get 2. And this 2.
Not yet. You gotta wait till 24.
Which one we can get?
What's in there?
It's. I see something. Think I see something? It's the reindeer.
Yay, the reindeer. I've been waiting for this one.
Okay, I'm gonna open another one.
Yeah, reindeer. Hang on. We gotta wait till tomorrow to do that one. So we've got our reindeer. Remember 23.
One to the walk.
1 day left.
See you later.
Say hello.
Hello.
Today's a very special day because it's the 24th. Which
Okay.
means, nope, we're done with the Advent calendar. So, what day is it today? Tell the camera.
Number 4.
December 24th.
Number 24.
Good. The 24th is right there.
Yes.
What's our last one gonna be?
I don't know.
There it is.
Oh.
And we got an X-Wing,
Nice.
which means we're done with this because it's the 24th. You ready to do this now? Okay. What day is it today?
I don't know.
December 24th.
34.
Okay. So we've done all of these. Which day are we going to do?
This one.
Okay. You already tried opening it yesterday. So go ahead and finish it.
Open it.
What do you think it's going to be?
I don't know.
What's the 24th going to be?
I don't know. Uh-oh. We
It's
got
a Santa.
Santa.
Oh my
Santa.
goodness.
Santa.
Wow.
Can you walk?
Let's say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Oh. What are you doing?
That was great.
Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
There's one right here, but there's no box here. We just have a hidden chocolate.
Wait, what are you doing?
Pull out the tray.
What are you doing?
Down here. I think I just fell down there.
What are you doing?
Oh.
That's it.
Want to walk?
Yeah.
Okay, do it.